Hello IntelliScientist, welcome to the Alan IntelliBrain. We are here to perform the Intelli activity to add and subtract the unlike fractions. To perform the activity, we are going to need the following material from our Intelli Smart Box. Take out all the fraction tokens from the fractions kit of your Intelli Smart Box. The unlike fractions are the fractions with different denominators. For example, 1 by 4 and 1 by 3 are unlike fractions as they have different denominators. Stack the fraction tokens color-wise on one side of your table in this format. For easy access, we will find the sum of the fraction 1 by 4 and 1 by 3. To do that, place the red token marked with the number 1 representing a whole. Then place one blue token marked with the fraction 1 by 4 on the red token at the left end. Then join the green token along with the blue token placed on the red token. We can see that a part of the whole is covered by the fractions 1 by 4 and 1 by 3. Now we will try various same colored fraction tokens and try to fill the remaining space on the red token. Can we fill this space using a token of fraction 1 by 2? No, we cannot. We can also not fill this space using 3 white tokens marked with the fraction 1 by 6. After trying several combinations of same colored tokens, we will find that we can fill the remaining space on the red token using 5 purple colored tokens marked with the fraction 1 by 12. This means the remaining space on the red token will be filled with 7 purple tokens marked with the fraction 1 by 12, which makes the fraction 7 by 12. This means the sum of the fraction 1 by 4 and the fraction 1 by 3 is equal to the fraction 7 by 12. Now let us learn to subtract the fraction 1 by 4 from the fraction 1 by 3. We must know that the value of the fraction 1 by 3 is greater than the fraction 1 by 4. We shall find the difference of the two fractions. Place the blue fraction token representing the fraction 1 by 4 on the green token representing the fraction 1 by 3. Now try to fill the remaining space on the green token using the different combinations or single tokens. Can we fill this space using a fraction token marked with the fraction 1 by 8? No, we cannot. After trying various tokens, we will find that the remaining space on the green token can be filled using the purple token marked with the fraction 1 by 12. This means that the difference of the fractions 1 by 3 and 1 by 4 is the fraction 1 by 12. 1 by 4 subtracted from 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 12. We know after doing the activity, you will have gained the expertise in the following concepts: understanding and identification of unlike fractions, addition and subtraction of the unlike fractions. Now try out more additions and subtractions with the fraction tokens and do it yourself. Visualize maths with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.